Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $6 mark and the $4 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $4.653 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, there are high chances that you have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, which is right here in a 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $9.518 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, give you the short-term scenarios, and also sketch out my breakdown targets here on the Filecoin chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $16.364 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this Elliot wave structure, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out over here, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 down here at around the $4.633 mark, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that is the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $7.582 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and in that wave 2 we were able to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see another 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of this wave 3, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that is the first wave. Then we have seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we might have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, since using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that at the time of this recording we have fully maximized, and there are chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, but at the time of this recording we don't have any confirmations that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and Filecoin at the time of this recording is not showing any impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3 that we expect after seeing the formation of this second wave to the lower side. So there are high chances that the breakdown might continue here on the Filecoin chart, get back into this blue target area in the formation of this wave 2, and in case such a move plays out, then there are high chances that we might also lose the lower side of this target area, which is the fib level 0.618, and get us to the fib level 0.78. And because of that, I want to extend my target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 back to the fib level 0.78, and that is at around the $5.607 mark, and that is the maximum that I can expect this second wave to the lower side to do. So as long as the breakdown continues and we continue holding within this blue target area, then that will still be considered as a second wave to the lower side, and it is within this blue target area that I'll be expecting to see the turnaround to the upper side and continue unlocking higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So those are my breakdown targets. In case the breakdown continues here on the Filecoin chart, we need to continue watching again the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which lies between the $5.963 mark and the $5.6 $0.07 mark here on the charts, and it is within that blue target area that I'll be expecting to see the turnaround in case the breakdown continues. And at the time of this recording, you can see that the move is happening so impulsively, and there are high chances that we are going to get to the $5.963 mark very soon, and also continue seeing the breakdown to the lower side. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to continue supporting further breakdown. Also taking a look at the MACD, you have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting further breakdown here on the charts. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.